Welcome to the City of La Porte 2024 Success News Recap. I'm your host, Tiffany Bradley, live here in historic downtown. And today we're celebrating the milestones that make La Porte an even better place to live, work, and play. This year, we've made big moves, boosting local businesses, keeping our neighborhoods safe, and creating more spaces for families to enjoy. We're not just growing, we're thriving. Now let's talk about finances. La Porte is fiscally rock solid. For the 35th year in a row, we've earned the Distinguished Budget Presentation Award because when we budget, we do it right. Smart financial planning means over $11 million are ready to reinvest in city improvements that benefit you. And La Porte is safer and more efficient than ever before. Let's start things off with Haley Bowers, who's live on Main Street with the latest in economic development. Haley.
Hey Tiffany, downtown La Porte is experiencing incredible growth, which is great news for our small businesses, visitors, and families. I'm here on Main Street where nearly 10 new businesses opened their doors in 2024, including Texacone right behind me. Once a mobile snow cone stand, it's now a permanent downtown favorite, bringing more foot traffic to local shops and restaurants. These new businesses are creating jobs, supporting local entrepreneurs, and making La Porte a destination to shop, dine, and spend time with friends and family. The growth continues across the city, along the Highway 146 corridor, where more new businesses are taking shape. At the Fairmont Parkway intersection, a brand new restaurant development is underway, including a Chipotle. These additions bring more dining options, more jobs, and more reasons for visitors to explore La Porte. A thriving business community means a stronger future for everyone, and we're just getting started. Back to you, Tiffany.
Thanks, Haley. La Porte is a city that bounces back from emergency response to recovery. Our communities showed incredible resilience after Hurricane Beryl. Sherry Rodriguez is live with more on a new city program that's helping save lives during future storms. Sherry?
Thanks, Tiffany. This generator keeps City Hall operational during and after severe weather. Now we're also ensuring that our most vulnerable residents won't be left in the dark for extended periods. The aftermath of Hurricane Beryl was challenging for everyone. Entire neighborhoods were left without power, creating dangerous conditions for seniors, residents with disabilities, and those with critical medical needs. That's why the City of La Porte launched the Generator Grant Program, helping 100 residents install generators, focusing on those who need it most.
When you lose your electricity, it's a hassle. You have to wind up throwing away food or what have you, and you have to move out. It's so hot and get a motel room, but with this, we won't lose any food, and it's going to really help us. And I'm sure with people that are on breathing machines or any kind of machines for their health, it'll keep those machines running. I think it's great for everybody involved.
We would also like to shout out our Public Works Department for working around the clock after the storm. Crews and contractors removed 5,000 truckloads of debris and cleared 17 miles of city roadways. Our Public Works Department continues to make La Porte a better place to live. To give us details on what they've been up to, let's check in with Public Works.
Thanks, Sherry. Big things are happening here in La Porte. We've invested $151 million into 53 projects that will improve our streets, drainage, and so much more. One of the biggest projects is right here in the Lomax community, a $33 million sewer upgrade replacing 20,000 feet of aging pipes and making life better for 1,300 households. Phase 1 is already underway and Phase 2 begins in summer 2025. These projects will improve efficiency for years to come.
It's incredible to see these improvements are enhancing the community. Thanks for that update, Jamison. Now let's talk about something we all love, our parks and green spaces. They're getting some major upgrades. To break it all down, we have two reporters to tell us about them, Lindsay and Tim. Let's kick things off with Lindsay.
Tiffany, a healthier, happier community starts with great spaces, and we've been busy making them even better. I'm here at the La Porte Recreation and Fitness Center, where we give this place a total makeover. Just standing here with all this brand new gym equipment already makes me feel healthier, or at least makes me feel like I want to work out. There are new locker rooms with new showers, fresh paint throughout the building, and new signage with more improvements along the way. And families, get ready. Our new splash pad at the wave pool is almost done. We've also made all other splash pads in town like new. So kids, start picking out your swimsuits now. But we're not stopping there. La Porte residents will love these new improvements because we're prioritizing upgrades to our parks and trails, making outdoor spaces more accessible, enjoyable, and safe. At Little Cedar Bayou Nature Trail, we're restoring a beloved part of our community lost to Hurricane Harvey. We're replacing 2 aging wooden bridges with modern metal bridges, making them safer and longer lasting. Plus, we're rebuilding a bird viewing pier thanks to city funding and a Texas Parks and Wildlife grant. Over at Pecan Park, we've drastically increased safety with new fencing around all 10 fields and an upgraded parking lot, adding much needed spaces for families and athletes. What's to come? Installing artificial turf. These investments reflect La Porte's commitment to strong infrastructure, economic development, and a high quality of life. Now I'll send it over to my colleague, Tim Miller.
Thank you, Lindsay. I could tell you about our senior program expansion with the amazing upgrades at the Brooklyn Community Center, but I'd rather show you in person. Welcome to the newly renovated Brooklyn Community Center. This renovation extends our long-standing senior services at the Norman Malone Center. Our seniors deserve the best, and now our best is even better on both east and west sides of town. Thanks to the incredible work of our Public Works Department, which managed this project from start to finish in-house, earning the American Public Works Association In-House Project of the Year Award. Take a look at the brand new kitchen. We all know nothing brings people together like food, and with this upgrade, our seniors can enjoy better meals, cooking classes, and social events. We've also upgraded the lighting, fresh paint, and ADA accessibility to make sure every senior in La Porte feels comfortable and safe here. Serving! I would stick around for a game of volleyball, but last time I got hit in the head, and I'm still recovering.
Thanks, Tim. Of course, keeping La Porte safe is a top priority, and our public safety teams have been hard at work. We'll start things off with the most lovable members of our community, our furry friends. Mitchell Turner Beasley tells our viewers what's happening over at the La Porte Animal Shelter. Mitchell?
Tiffany, nothing makes us prouder than finding animals forever homes. Last year, we placed 799 pets with wonderful families. And in 2025, we're aiming even higher. Every adoption brings joy to a family and gives an animal a second chance at life. Together, we're making our community a better place, one adoption at a time. Just like this one right here, Layla, if you're ready to come find your forever adoption family, come see us here at the La Porte Adoption Center today. Tiffany?
Now let's move on to our heroes in uniform who work around the clock to keep our city safe. Feeling safe is the most important factor when families are looking for a new city to call home. Our police chief, Scott Pulling, has some amazing news to share with us about the safety of our city.
Tiffany, La Porte remains one of the safest cities in Harris County thanks to community partnerships, cutting-edge technology, and the dedication of our officers. We've closed the gap in staffing shortages, which means faster response times and more officers available to protect and serve. Plus, we continue to have one of the lowest crime rates in Harris County. But here's what matters most. You told us you feel safe. In our most recent citizen satisfaction survey, 94% of La Porte residents said they're satisfied with police services, and that's something we're incredibly proud of. Public safety isn't just about law enforcement. It's about teamwork. That's why we work hand in hand with our fire and EMS departments so that when emergencies happen, we're ready to respond.
That's right, Chief Pulling. Collaboration is at the heart of public safety, and we've been working closely with our neighboring agencies to make emergency response stronger and faster. With our new Motorola radio upgrade, first responders and police, fire, and EMS can now communicate seamlessly across agencies. That means quicker coordination and faster response times when you need us most. We've also replaced 2 brush trucks, ensuring a quicker response to grass and brush fires before they spread, keeping homes and families safe. And being prepared isn't just about equipment, it's about training. We've expanded our team by adding a record number of volunteer firefighters. Through continuous drills, training, and skill building, we will ensure our firefighters are always ready for anything. When emergencies happen, our EMS team is also on the front lines. Chief Cominick, tell us about the amazing things you and your department have accomplished in 2024.
Chief Pettis, when disaster strikes, we are ready. This year, we strengthened our emergency preparedness plans to keep La Porte safe and resilient. We didn't just train our own teams, we provided free CPR training for city employees and community members, equipping more people with life-saving skills. I'm sure you've heard about our team's response to a near-drowning incident involving 4-year-old Azriel. That story went viral. Thanks to quick action from bystanders and guidance from our 911 dispatchers, The child was revived before being transported to the hospital. Azriel made a full recovery, highlighting the importance of CPR training and community preparedness. We also focused on keeping our youngest residents safe and healthy. Our childhood immunization clinics delivered 435 free vaccinations to nearly 200 kids, and through our Child Safety Seat program, we distributed 97 car seats, helping ensure every child is secure on the road. Public safety isn't just about responding to emergencies, it's about preparing our community for them. And in La Porte, we're doing just that. Back to you, Tiffany.
Wow, what a year. From safer streets to better parks and stronger finances, La Porte is thriving, and we're just getting started. Here's to an even bigger 2025 and to the incredible community that makes La Porte a great place to call home. As our motto says, rich in history, built on community, and we live by that every single day. This news update may be ending, but you can stay connected with us all year long on our website and on social media. Thanks for joining us. Here's to a great 2025.